Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
All right, let's get into the first topic. This is called paying attention to your earnings statements.
So, okay. So what's been going on, as you guys know, for the last, I don't know, we had Jamie Court from Consumer Watchdog on. So they are on this bandwagon of insurance shenanigans when it comes to Uber and Lyft with captive insurance companies in Hawaii, that they're overcharging for commercial insurance, and then they're pocketing the money and they're using that money. This is an allegation, their allegation. I'm just reporting that they're using that money to advance their causes in autonomous vehicles to replace you all. Now, I don't know if it's a coincidence, Chris, but Uber just added a new line item into their earnings statements. So the one in the middle is the old one. You can see the date, June 15, June 22. Look at the one on the right.
Yeah, for some reason, it's got a double in there.
It's got a double in there. But then on a breakdown of a specific trip, look at the way they're look at the way they're reporting it. 60% you, 20% Uber, 20% other. So I'm like, okay, so I'm pretty sure this is a coincidence, but the gripe is that we want more of a breakdown of that commercial insurance line item, because in that line item, there is other things, okay, and we talked about this last week as well. What maybe this is going to be more transparent, Chris. Because as you know, Lyft does the same thing with external expenses, which includes running the company, running the app, doing all these other things that we're paying for. The driver and the rider is paying for. So now I made sure that this one, the one on the right, is new, and it is new. So if you guys are seeing this and numbers start showing up now, I asked Uber, why are there two commercial insurance line items? Why don't you say estimated commercial insurance? And that one specifically, maybe you should say operational expenses, right?
Yeah.
Maybe the AI messed up on that one, but I'm pretty sure that's going to be operational expenses now. So now there's going to be more of a breakdown of, hopefully, you know, the earnings, government taxes, airport fees, things, third-party fees, and then operational expenses, and then commercial auto insurance, and then customer promotions, and then, which most of you are going to say, bullshit. Why are their operational expenses part of my problem? Because your operational expenses are not part of their problem. So this is new. So what say you, man?
I say they should break it down completely from everything all the way through. So then that way you see. And then, I mean, I would even go further to say I'd like to see a breakdown of taxes, third-party fees, and regulatory related charges, where you see the exact breakdown for those people who really, really want to break things down. I think that should be, you know, just there. So any line item should be accounted for, not just jumbled together. And then, you know what? They're trying to do everything again they can. They look at it and how much did I make? How much did the passenger pay? That is the take rate. Nobody is going to look at it any other way. You know, I don't give a shit what you say. Commercial insurance is part of Uber's and Lyft's expenditures. It's part of their thing. They even say, we are providing insurance for you. So that's part of their cost. I don't care beyond that.
Okay. Well, if some of you are seeing this and there is numbers now in that new line, I would like to see some screenshots. So this just showed up, and if this is the new way of reporting your earnings through a statement, then you guys are my eyes and ears, and you're going to see two happy endings this week, two, which we talked about, and then ended up in resulting positively. I would like to have you guys send me screenshots, just like you're sending me at the end of the month screenshots of the Lyft earnings cap, the new cap. I would like you guys to send me some screenshots to see if that line item is staying zero or is it getting filled up. So please email me, Sergio@rideshareguy.com.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.